you're here, you could just, which is, you know, and I mean, you could choose to do the pedal and then this, which, or if you can do it, let me do my other direction because that'll go better. So you can either go into it after you do that pedal and then go back around, or go into it and go back around. Or, oh, well, you can do that too. That's a different combination. That's one pedal, one air up. One pedal, one air up. One pedal, one air up. With the left one doing the pedal, which I guess the opposite of that would be the pedal, air up, all the way around the pedal, air up, all the way around the pedal, air up, all the way around the pedal, air up, and so on. And you can do that on both sides. And you can do that in overhand and you can do that in underhand. There you go. That's another 5 in case you get bored.